Okay, hey everybody, so today what we're looking at is action van suspension. If you're thinking about lifting your van, today we're going to show you what you get when you buy a kit from Action Van. So Action Van is one of the lift companies out there that'll do your Econoline van. If you live close to them in Southern California, I suggest just having them do it, but if you live far away like I do, so you have to have it shipped to yourself and then install it yourself. And so today we're going to unbox this thing. I'll show you what you get. And then later on we'll do an install video and I'll show you what it's like to install it. So here we go. So you get 3 big boxes like this. They're all really heavy, like 70, 80 pounds. So I'm gonna start here. We'll open this one and see what's here. Okay, so you get your instruction package. You get, looks like stickers and card. Yeah, that's Larry's card. He's the guy I talked to on the phone. Okay, this looks like U-bolts, extended U-bolts. This is for doing the rear. We have these. Okay, so this looks like one of the relocator brackets. Everything is packed really well too. This looks like a high quality part. So next item we have here is a extended pitman arm. The dreaded pitman arm. This thing's hard to get off, but I think once you do, here's the extended one. All right, next item. This looks like hardware. Full Tilt Off-Road is the company that makes this for Action Van, or with Action Van. So here's all your hardware. All right, next item. These are some kind of blocks. I think these are for the sway bar, to lower the sway bar down. Yeah, that's what they are. I'm not going to open them, but sway bar lowering blocks. All right, these, this next item, this looks like lift blocks for the rear end. This might be one of them. Let's see. Yeah, so this is the block that's going to lift your rear suspension. Don't know what this one is, but we'll see. Yeah, another kind of relocator block. Not sure what that one's for yet. This next part looks like the other relocating bracket for the I-beam, I think. Yeah. So this relocates the I-beam 5 inches lower. So next box. Okay, so this looks like these are probably the upgraded radius arms. I did get the performance package or whatever it is that comes with new radius arms that are Heim joint, that have Heim joint links on them, not just the ones from the 2010 Plus. So yeah, these are the new radius arms. These things look really cool. All right, so there you go. Action van. Okay, so now these are the radius arm mounts. I'll open one of them so you can see what that looks like. If you just got the basic package, you won't have these extra mounts. You can still use your stock radius arms, or if you're upgrading to the 2010 radius arms, but this is for the Heim joint action van radius arm. Okay, so here's a bag of bolts, hardware. This looks like these hold the radius arm mounts on, so I'm not going to open those yet. Here's another radius arm mount and another radius arm, and that's everything that's in this box. Okay, let's open the next box, see what's in this one. All right, so in this box, it looks like we got suspension, all Bilstein. So these shocks will be longer and accommodate the lift. And lift springs. So these springs are much longer than the ones stock on the van. Here is steering stabilizer, also Bilstein. And another spring. And two more shocks, front and rear. That's everything you need from Action Van to lift your van. Okay, that'll do it for our unboxing video. And if you want to see this whole kit installed on our 01 E350 van, check our other videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.